equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a pair of tweezers. Start by powering off your Asus UM425 Mauritanian gears and disconnecting it from any power source. It's crucial to avoid any electrical hazards during the repair process. Next, carefully remove the back panel. You'll need to unscrew the screws located at the base of the laptop. There are typically 10 screws, so keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are out, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to damage any clips as you work your way around the edges. With the back panel removed, locate the battery connector. Disconnect the battery to ensure there's no power running through the device. This step is essential for your safety and to prevent any damage to the internal components. Now, let's focus on the screen assembly. You'll need to unscrew the hinges that connect the screen to the base. There are usually 4 screws on each hinge. Once these are removed, gently lift the screen away from the base. If you find this step challenging, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, so you can have a professional handle it for you. Next, disconnect the display cable. This is often secured with adhesive, so use your tweezers to carefully peel it away. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the cable. Once disconnected, you can set the old screen aside. Now, it's time to prepare the new screen. Before installation, ensure that the new screen is clean and free from dust. A clean workspace is vital for a successful repair. If you need assistance, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. Position the new screen in place and reconnect the display cable. Make sure it's securely attached, as a loose connection can lead to display issues later on. Once connected, carefully align the hinges and screw them back into place. After securing the screen, reconnect the battery. This is a crucial step, as it powers your device back on. Before closing the back panel, it's a good idea to test the new screen. Power on your laptop and check for any display issues. If everything looks good, proceed to reattach the back panel. Align the panel and press down gently to snap it back into place. Finally, replace all the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened properly. This will help maintain the integrity of your laptop. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can make an informed decision. With the screen replaced, your Asus UM425 Mauritanian gears is ready to go. Enjoy your newly repaired device. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.